Welcome back, guys. This side Divyansh. If you have paper on 1st of June, Machine Learning, BCS 602 or BIS 602, this video is for you. This is the question package I am giving. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and please share it in your class group and with your friends. Please subscribe the channel. It means a lot to me. It's free for you, but it means a lot to me. If you need the PDF link, the WhatsApp channel link is in my description or the pinned comments. You can go join the WhatsApp channel. In the WhatsApp channel, you can find all the PDFs, all the question paper PDFs and the important question PDF also. So I have curated this PDF from five previous year papers. So three previous year papers, December, January, June, July, and one June, July makeup exam, and two model question papers. I have curated this important question paper. And also in the makeup exam, you can see BCS 602, BCS/BIS 602. So BCS 602 and BIS 602 are exactly the same. There is no difference. I have seen the syllabus also. So this is the important question paper. The questions are module wise. Every module contains 10 question each. And every for every question, I have given the diagram and the table if required. And yeah, you can study this, go through this, and yeah, you'll get great marks. Good luck. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends and in the class group. Good luck. Thank you. Meet you soon.